Welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing my Ipsy May unboxing and try on video, and I am so excited to share with you guys the products I received in my May bag. I have them on, and I must say this lip combo is about to be my summer go-to. But anyways, before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure to click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as my videos go live. But I'm very excited for this video, and a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me. I love the Ipsy glam bags. They are so awesome, and if you guys don't know about them, I will leave a link down below. That way you can sign up. You get 5 products sent to your house every single month. They are customized for you, and they also have added on an additional feature where you can even select other items to be put in your bag. So again, I'll leave a link down below. If you haven't signed up, I would definitely recommend it because Ipsy is one of my favorite bags, especially to unbox, try on, and share with you guys. But let's go ahead and dive into the products. Before I even show you guys the products, I do want to say that every single month when I get this pink bag, it brings me so much joy because I know that this is my Ipsy bag and that is what it comes in. And then every single month you also get a bag that all your products come with. These are really great to put in your purse, or just, they're great bags to have. Okay? And this one obviously is super cute this month. I'm loving the glitter in it, and it is so pretty. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. And then it has this little fringe zipper on it, and it says Ipsy here at the bottom. This is probably my favorite bag so far for this year. So the very first product that I have here is from Pixi by PETRA. And this is the H2O Skindrink, and it is a pure hydration gel. This stuff felt so good on my face. So basically it is a lightweight gel that delivers hydration to the skin, and it's recommended to use in the morning on clean skin before makeup. I will say that it felt really good on my skin, and it has a cooling formula, and it's supposed to immediately hydrate while plumping and stimulating your complexion. This I'm really excited for. I feel like once I use this, I will definitely be getting a full size of it. Absolutely love Pixi products. I have a ton of their skincare items in my collection, and this is another one that I hadn't tried, but I'm so glad that it came in my Ipsy bag so I could try it out. Okay, so a very next product that I got in my glam bag is from Royal and Langnickel, and this is their Chic Rose Gold Blush Brush. And it is absolutely gorgeous. So the bristles on this brush are super soft, and they allow for an even application for a flawless flush of color. I feel like a lot of times I can have issues when applying my blush because if I don't have the right tool to put it on, it can go on kind of streaky. I don't know what it is. I really only have this problem for blush, but this brush I loved. It applied the product really smooth. And another really cool thing about this brush is that the handle is actually waterproof. I think that's so awesome because most brushes aren't like that. And sometimes when you are washing your brushes, you can get it wet, and I'm always so worried that I'm going to ruin brushes like that. So I'm really glad this one has that feature in it. I've used their brushes in the past, and all the brushes that I've tried out thus far, I've always loved, enjoyed, and they've always been really great quality. So I'm excited to add the blush brush to my collection. And this brush is also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, next up is from Rize Beauty, and this is their Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow. This also is vegan and cruelty-free, and these colors are so beautiful. So you get 1 matte and 3 shimmers. So the really cool thing about this shade right here is not only can you use it for a contour, but you also can use it for an eyeshadow, which is what I did. I put it in the outer corner starting out. Then I went in with the color Rose Glow, which is a rose gold silver metallic, and you also can use this for highlighting. And actually, I did not use that for highlighting today, so let's go ahead and try it out on camera right now. I'm going to get just a little bit on my brush. I didn't actually put on, ooh, a highlighter. This is actually really pretty as a highlight. And again, I also put this on my eyelids today. The colors are super creamy. They go on really pigmented, and I love the shades in this palette. Look at that highlight. I'm gonna actually swatch these because I didn't swatch them yet. But you guys, this little quad packs a punch. I mean, look how gorgeous those shades are. So beautiful. And it's also really good to travel with too because it's small and compact, but you have like really staple shades. So there are those swatched. So the very next product is from Allured Berry. This is their 20100 Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick in the shade Here and Now number 3408. This is a crayon lipstick and it glides on the lips with a matte finish. It also has a really soft and smooth color. It's comfortable and it doesn't smudge, which I love in a lipstick. A lot of times I really prefer these crayon lipsticks because I feel like just the texture of them, they get around your lips and you can basically line your lips with it and then fill it in. I love this color. Like, I want to wear this every day of summer. I am so obsessed with my lips right now. And the very last product came from Buxom Cosmetics. And this is their full-on plumping lip polish in the shade Claire. This color is so beautiful. It's like a light pink. So first off, the color of this is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a pinky shade. So I first went in and actually applied it over top of the Allured Berry crayon lipstick. And then I also went in by itself to see what it would look like. This lip polish definitely has a super high shine and it plumps the appearance of your lips with a tingle. So you can almost feel like a cooling sensation when you put it on. But again, I love the combination of this. These two products are going in my purse because I really like want to wear this every day. But needless to say, I am so obsessed with the May Glam Bag. Again, a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I would love to know down below in the comments what you received in your Ipsy bag. Are you loving it? And again, I'll leave a link if you guys want to check out the bag if you're not already subscribed. So I love you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.